72 lanes. So I think there's a reason there's 72 lanes here, because I think there's another one that has 70, and they wanted to make this one the most, and I'm pretty sure this is the most in all of Las Vegas, but not counting South Point that has 2 different bowling centers. If you add theirs up, theirs would be more than this for sure. $15.99 for a cheeseburger combo. $10.99 for a hot dog combo. They're really pushing that 7-Up, green 7-Up, or green Sprite. Yeah, I guess there's a big difference. One's a different company. Bowling alleys in Las Vegas seem to be doing really well, and there's more of them here than anywhere else. You'd think they'd get diluted, but they really aren't. And every single one of them is a good deal. Some of them are a little higher than others. Somebody is up to $7 on a shoe rental, but just nickel and dime you here and there. But if you add it all up compared to doing anything else, this is a super cheap, low-priced activity. Yeah, there's the claim, largest bowling center in the valley. And I think it's because of the 72 lanes. It's not because of the whole area. But it still might be. Can't think of who would be bigger by area. It's not by much. Someone else.